Former President Jacob Zuma has once again built a solid relationship with the Shembe Church of Ebuhleni faction. This was seen when Zuma visited the church over the past weekend. The relationship between Zuma and the church comes a long way. Before Zuma he became a president in 2009, Zuma was a special regular visitor in the church. After he became a president, Zuma was not seen visiting the church that much. This made people to start to speculate that there might be some tension between the church leader uNyazilwezulu and Zuma. But this thinking was corrected when the leader of the church, uNyazilwezulu, visited Zuma in his home in Nkandla, KwaDwakaDonose. The thinking that there was some tension between the two became a history. Some say this was not just a church visit, but a meeting to shape the country. Hence, there was the formation of MK party later. Now, Zuma is happily welcomed in Ebuhleni. Over the past weekend, Zuma was seen talking to members of the church, and he thanked them for voting for uNyazilwezulu. Zuma was accompanied by former judge and the leader of MK party in parliament, Judge Hlophe, and the recently resigned MK party secretary, Arthur Zwane. Zuma did mention that the case is still on. It's just the matter of gathering new information or evidence. For Sizwe Always News, I am Sizwe Shozi.